Today's video is brought to you by EndTimeGardening.com. Visit our website for your instructional gardening products and services through the link in the description box below. And remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Today's featured plant is the Eddoe. The Eddoe plant is a root vegetable grown and enjoyed by many. It is family to the elephant ear, grown for beautification. However, unlike the elephant ear used for beautification, Eddoes can be used for both beautification and for food. You can receive many health benefits by adding Eddoes to your diet. They contain a significant amount of dietary fiber and complex carbohydrates, as well as high levels of vitamin A, C, E, B6, and folate, as well as magnesium, iron, zinc, phosphorus, potassium, manganese, and copper. Although Eddoes are tropical plants, you can enjoy growing them for food if you live in a temperate climate. They need only 6 months from planting to harvesting. All you have to do is leave one Eddoe in the ground every time you harvest, and it will grow the following year. At the end of spring, just watch them pop out of the ground. So plant your Eddoes today. You still have time to plant and enjoy them at the end of this season. This gardening tip has been brought to you by EndTimeGardening.com. Happy planting!